Hi friends, this is Kelly with Lucas Indiana Realty, and we've got a lot of people that keep asking us, what is your next project? What are you going to be doing? Well, let me just give you a little bit of what we're doing. Our next project is our house, and you can imagine why. But the first thing we're doing is we are finishing our basement. As you can see, we are in the process of doing that. We're got the walls insulated. We've got studs and things going up around the poured concrete wall and insulated the floor joists and the walls as well. So all I gotta say is stay tuned and watch what we do to get it finished. A few years ago, we finished out a bedroom and a bathroom. Now we're ready to finish out what we call the living area in here. As you can see, we have started some work. But anyways, all I gotta say is stay tuned and see what happens. Talk to you later, guys. Have a good day. Bye.